Hello, my name is Paul and today I will show you how to make the arrow visible through your whole PowerPoint presentation. So when you start the slideshow by clicking this button or by clicking the F5 key, then you are trying to explain something and usually the arrow will disappear by itself, and it will happen all the time during your whole presentation, but it's quite hard to recover the arrow again even you are trying to move by mouse. So I am struggling with it little bit, so it will not appear, and it appeared, and when I stopped it will be hidden again, and I'm trying to move by mouse but nothing is visible, and now it appeared. To get around this confusing problem, go to the low left corner, select the pen tool, select arrow options and select visible. From now the arrow will be all the time visible and you will not have this problem during your whole presentation, so you can finally enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I am at the end, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel and watch the other videos like above, the wave-like theory and the Gene software as well. Thank you very much and have a nice day.